Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: an active Jio 5G SIM in the correct tray and a phone that supports N78 or N41 bands. Once done, check for and install any pending firmware or carrier updates, because carriers push important provisioning. Next, enable mobile data, confirm airplane mode is off, and do a quick restart. This forces registration with Jio's network. Make sure you have a clear signal area. If indoors, move near a window or step outside briefly to improve initial registration. You now focus on registration and configuration. First, set preferred network mode to 5G/auto or NR/LTE auto so the device seeks 5G. If it doesn't attach, manually select the Jio network from available operators. Manual attach can bypass stuck automatic selection. Then open APN settings, confirm Jio defaults are present, APN, MCC, MNC, and reset if altered, because incorrect APN prevents data provisioning. Once these changes are saved, restart the phone to force a fresh attach and IP allocation by the carrier. Finish by validating the connection. Look for the 5G or NR icon and run a speed test to confirm expected throughput. If speeds or registration are incorrect, update carrier settings in the MyJio app or capture IMS and RAN logs to share with support. These logs reveal provisioning or authentication issues. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a network settings reset on the phone to clear stubborn configurations. Troubleshooting tip: if registration keeps failing, swap the SIM into a known working 5G phone to isolate SIM versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.